I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Logitech M525 wireless mouse. I think this is a really great, small, easy to use wireless mouse. It works great with a Chromebook or another kind of laptop computer. And it's wireless, so it just has this little dongle that you plug into the USB port on your computer, and you can actually open the back of the mouse and store that little dongle inside the mouse. So if you're using this on multiple computers, you're not necessarily going to lose it. You can just take it out and store it internally. This is powered by batteries, and it has a 3-year battery life, Logitech says, because it will go into a sleep mode when you're not actually using it. So that's great because you're not constantly changing out the battery. And it does have this laser action on the bottom here, but it's an invisible laser. So you don't really see the light on the back there, but it will work on, I've found, pretty much any surface. This just wood surface, if you have a mouse pad, great, but it's a good option if you're using this with a laptop, traveling around, using it on a lot of different surfaces. It has your standard left and right click. It has a scroll wheel. The scroll wheel is kind of rubberized, and I think it has pretty good precision. And then you have the click on the scroll wheel as well. So just pretty basic functions. It's a relatively small mouse, so it will fit well in your hand, but it's also easy to transport there. And the wireless, I find, works really well. I don't know exactly what the range is, but I've certainly never had a problem even using it, across the desk, and you could probably use it at a distance if you wanted to connect this to a laptop plugged into a media center or something like that. I think it will have a good range to be able to do that. So really good basic wireless mouse. I haven't had any issues with it, and I think it works really great for a laptop or even for a desktop PC.